In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Exness to Tradingview. This should be a quick process video. Now without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Now just go ahead to the top left, click on this menu icon, then click on brokers. Now if you scroll down here, you will see the list of available brokers, and if you pay a close attention, you will see that Exness is not available here because Exness is not supported by Tradingview as a broker, but you can go ahead to the Exness terminal website. It's very similar to Tradingview, so you might want to try it. But if you go ahead to Tradingview, Exness is not available as a broker there. The other solution is to use paper trading, which Tradingview offers. It gives you virtual funds to develop your trading skills. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.